नमो नमः. नमो नमः. मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं. हरिः ओम्. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम्. We are reading the second chapter of this drama. Very sad and pathetic is this anchor because Dasharatha's life comes to end. Even we feel bad, reading the description of somebody's death till end, till his pranas leave him, we will be reading the description. So in a way it's a sad, but the pratibha of Bhasa makes us read that again and again. He gives sahanubhuti to us, the readers. So let us begin with that. We have already seen up to verse we will recap few dialogues and then we will proceed. Dasharatha, he is asanna marana, we know. So his mental state is not stable. He is mushitendriyaha. He has no power or his indriyas. His indriyas are beyond his control. Okay? So he does not recognize. Who is? He first asks, Kausalya and Sumitra both are sitting by his side while he is on the bed, and he doesn't recognize Kausalya. So he asks, Kvatvam bhoho, who are you? They are sitting next to him, but still he cannot recognize her. So he asks her, Kvatvam bhoho. Kausalya says, Asnigdha putra prasavini khalu aham. Oh my God. She calls herself Asnigdha putra prasavini. Asnigdha, that means why she calls him Asnigdha? She calls Rama Asnigdha. And she says, I have given birth to Asnigdha putra, who has no love. Why does she say so? Because his father was doing anunaya for him not to leave him alone and go to forest, but to keep his father's vachana. All Ikshvaku family is Satyasandha, so he did not want his father's vachana to fail. So he was, Krutanishchayaha, to go to Vana. So after doing so much, anunaya by father, requesting him again and again, he did not listen to him and he went to forest, leaving his father alone. Asanna jara doshaihi. Asanna jara dosha, he was very old and jeerna. So in that condition, he left his father, so she is calling him Asnigdha putra. Dasharatha in his mind knows that Rama is not Asnigdha. He knows that. So he doesn't like it, Kausalya saying him Asnigdha. So he says, Kim, why do you call him that? That is what the meaning is. Kim, sarvajana hridaya nayanabhiramasya ramasya janani tvamasi Kausalya. You know who you are? You are Janani of Rama. And how is that Rama? Sarvajana हृदय नयन अभिराम. सर्वजनस्य हृदय and nayana abhirama. Abhirama means who gives santosha, who gives joy, who gives harsha to all people's eyes and heart. By his darshana alone, he gives santosha to people's eyes and also to their hridaya. So such is a person. Rama is like this, and this Ramasya, you are Janani. Janani means who has given birth to. Kausalya says, Maharaja, sa eva mandabhagini khalu aham. I am that unfortunate one. He doesn't like. He says, why? You are not mandabhagini, you are lucky, you are Saravati. He says, Saravati khalu asi. You are Balavan, Balavati, you are Saravati, because Tvayahi khalu Ramaha garbhe drutaha. You have carried him in your garbha, so you are Saravati, you are Balavati. So you are not mandabhagini, you are lucky person. Aham hi dukkham atyantam asahyam jwalanopamam naiva sodum na samhartum shaknomi mushitendriyaha. Aham mushitendriyaha, the samarthya of whose indriyas is gone, no control over his indriyas. I am such a person and at present, and I am not able to dukkham atyantam asahyam. This atyantam asahyam dukkham sodhum na shaknomi. How is that dukkha? Jwalanopamam, like a fire. If a fire burns, you cannot bear it, Jwalanopamam. So that kind of a dukkha, I am not able to bear also, and I am not able to control also, that dukkha. So, at the same time, he looks at Sumitra, but he does not recognize her and asks her, Iyam aparaka, who is this other one? Then Kausalya says, Maharaja, Vatsa Lakshmana. Oh, the moment she says Vatsa Lakshmana, Maharaja cuts her and sentence and says, Sahasa Utthaya. Suddenly he tries to get up from the bed and says, Kva asau Lakshmanaha. Maharaja Vatsa Lakshmana, these are the only words uttered by Kausalya, and Dasharatha feels that really Lakshmana has come there, and to have a look at him, to have his darshana, he immediately gets up, tries to get up. Utthaya, Sahasa Utthaya. He suddenly gets up from his bed and asks, Kva asau Lakshmanaha. Where is the Lakshmana? Kva asau. So his eagerness to meet Lakshmana. Na drushyate. He has not seen his queens also, and they were there. And even in spite of that, he could not see those queens. So Lakshmana is not there. How could he see him? He says, Na drushyate, bhoho kashtam. He feels there is something wrong with his eyes, that he cannot see Lakshmana. Lakshmana is there, and because of his eyes he could not see, he cannot see Lakshmana. That is what he feels, and he says, bhoho kashtam. Very difficult, very difficult. Devyav sasambhramam utthaya rajanam avalambete. They get up and then they give him support. Both the queens, they get up and they give support to Raja Dasharatha. Kausalya says, Maharaja, Vatsa Lakshmanasya Janani Sumitra iti vaktum maya upakrantam. You asked me who is this other one. So I was answering your question by saying that Vatsa Lakshmanasya Janani Sumitra iti upakrantam maya. I was about to say that she is mother of Lakshmana. Raja says, Ayi Sumitre, he is happy and he says, Tava eva putraha satputraha yena naktam divam vane Ramaha Raghukula Shreshtaha Chayaya iva anugamyate. Tava eva putraha satputraha. Previously, Kausalya had called her son Rama Asnigdha Putra. And now he is telling, Raja is telling Sumitra that your putra is Satputra. Yena naktam divam vane, day and night in the forest, Ramaha Raghukula Shreshtaha Chayaya iva anugamyate. Lakshmana has followed Rama to do his seva, to offer him his seva, because he feels that he has to serve his elder brother and he has to follow his elder brother Rama wherever he goes, and that is his duty, and that is his Bhratru Prema also. This is the Utkarsha of Bhratru Prema, that he went with Rama in forest along with him. He says, he calls Raghukula Shreshtaha Ramaha. Raghukula Shreshtaha. Rama is Raghukula Shreshtaha. Raghukulavatamsa. He is the Alankara of Raghukula. We say Kshatriya Kulavatamsa. Kshatriya Kulasya Avatamsa. That is Alankara, Bhushana, who Chhatrapati Shivaji. So similarly here, he calls Raghukula Shrestha, that is Raghukula Avatamsa. Raghukula Avatamsa. Raghukulasya Alankaraha. Now that Rama, Chayaya iva. A person, when person goes, Chaya follows him. The Chaya never leaves the person. Chaya never leaves the person. So like a Chaya follows a person, Lakshmana is following Rama continuously, along with him every time. Naktam divam, day and night. And then Kanchuki enters. Pravishya Kanchukiyaha. He says, Jayatu Maharajaha. Jayatu Maharaja. Eshaha khalu tatra bhavan Sumantraha praptaha. He says, Sumantra has come. Sahasa utthaya saharsham api Ramena. Sumanta, he feels Sumanta had gone to forest because he was his Sarathi. Being his Sarathi, he thought that Sumantra has brought Rama back. So when Sumantra comes to meet him, he learns that Sumantra has come. He asks this question, Api Ramena. Saha is to be understood. It is understood that there is Tritiya Vibhakti used here, Api Ramena. Ramena is Tritiya Vibhakti, which goes with Saha. So Ramena Saha Sumantraha Praptaha. That is what he asks. Kanchukiya says, Na khalu, Rathena. He has come with his Ratha. That means the Ratha was empty. There was nobody in that Ratha. Sumantra has come alone. Katham Rathena Kevalena. Katham, that means he feels bad also. He feels, he was expecting somebody to come with Sumantra. That no one has come. So he says, Katham, there is a sorrow in it. There is a sorrow and nothing but sorrow in it. And he says, Katham Rathena Kevalena. He has come only in his Ratha. And then he falls down. Murchitaha patati. Both queens, Maharaja, Samashvasihi. They say, you hold on, hold courage, And then they, Gatrani Tvaramrushataha. They move their hand over his body gently and give him Ashvasana. They give him Adhar. They say, hold on. And Kanchukiya says, he observes it and he says, Bhoho kashtam, idruk vidhaha, people like him also, purusha visheshaha, purusha shreshtaha. If idruk vidhaha, purusha shreshtaha, idrushyan apadam prapnuvanti iti. Now such great persons, he is a great person, and such great persons, the high personage of this type meet with such a calamity. Idrushim apadam prapnuvanti. Oh my God. Vidhi anatikramaniyaha. Which means bhavitavyata anullanghaniyah. Idrushi vidha yesham te idrushaha vidhaha. In Swapna Vasavadattam, Act 4, again similar condition, they say the conditions are beyond their control, so they are under the control of fate, and then say vidhihi anatikramaniyaha. And again he also tries to pacify Maharaja, and he says, Maharaja samashvasihi. Raja kinchit samashvasya, he says, balake sumantra eka eva nanu praptaha. Balaka is the name of that Kanchukiya who was present there. So he asked Balaka, Sumantra eka eva nanu praptaha. Sumantra has come alone. Eka eva. Maharaja athakim. Kanchukiya tells him the fact. Maharaja athakim. Yes, he has come alone. Maharaja again he says, Kashtam bhoho. Kashtam bhoho. His kashta, utkarsha of his kashta is occurring. And then he says, Shunyaha praptaha yadi rathaha bhagnaha mama matho manorathaha nanu dasharatham netum kalena preshito rathaha. Shunyaha praptaha yadi rathaha. If this ratha is shunya, not occupied by anybody, it is empty, that means my manorathas are bhagna. What are his manorathas? That shokakulam mam jnatva kachit rama agachet ityadi he is thinking about. Rama must be knowing that I am in such a condition when he is away. So, after knowing my avastha, asanna marana avastha, Rama may come back to see me. That was his manoratha. So, they are bhagna. These manorathas are bhagna. Rama paravrutti lakshanaha manorathaha is bhagna. So he says, Nunam dasharatham netum. Here, the other meaning is manorathaha, the car of my mind. Manasaha rathaha, the car of my mind is broken. Bhagnaha, the car of my mind is broken. That means I cannot live now anymore. And so he thinks, Nunam, really, Dasharatham netum kalena preshitaha rathaha. Nunam means, yes, now really, Mrityu, the Kala, it has come and he has sent his Ratha to me. Dasharatham netum, Dasharatha, to bring Dasharatha, Kala has sent that Ratha. That is why it is Shunya. Otherwise, what is the intention? Why Shunya Ratha should come there? That means it is sent by Kala to take away Dasharatha. to other loka. Tenahi shighram praveshyatam. He says, now send him, send Sumantra shighram, immediately, because he doesn't know whether there is time for him to live, whether he will live, how long he will live, he doesn't know. So he says, shighram praveshyatam. Let Sumantra come immediately. Yat ajñapayati maharajaha. And then Raja, he goes away, Kanchukiya, to bring Sumantra. And the Raja says, Dhanyaha khalu vane vataha tataka parivartinaha vicharantam vane ramam ye sprushanti yatha sukham. He says, vane, the winds blowing in that forest, they are dhanya. They are dhanya. How are those winds? Tataka parivartinaha. Tataka, it means sarovara. It does not mean only sarovara or jalashaya. It means sapadma jalashaya. In that jalashaya, you will always find padma, lotuses, kamalani. That sarovara, the jalashaya, which is full of kamalani, is called tataka. See, there are so many words given for jalashaya, with the water tank. But every word has a different meaning. Every word has a different meaning. Though they mean apparently same, it has some different meaning. So here tataka does not mean only jalashaya, but it is full of kamala pushpani. So the winds coming over those, they are tataka parivartinaha. They are coming from that tataka, which are full of lotuses, kamalani, those kind of winds. Here it means the winds are very cool, saugandhya, and shitalatva is dhvanitam. Saugandhya, because they are bringing the sugandha of those kamalini along with them. And shitalatva is they are blowing over jalashaya, and that is why they are shitala also and sugandhi also. So tataka parivartanaha vataha vane are dhanyaha. Why they are dhanyaha? Ye sprushanti vicharantam ramam yatha sukham. Vane, in that forest, vicharantam ramam. The Rama is vicharantam ramam. Rama is moving around in that vana, and these vatas, they touch sprushanti as long as they want, as much sukha so much sukha they obtain from that is by touching Rama. They are moving over his body. They are touching him. So those vatas are dhanya because they are touching Rama. Tataha pravishati sumantraha. Then sumantra, tataha pravishati sumantraha. Sumantra sarvataha vilokya. While coming, he sees here and there. Generally is the situation when everything is okay, there is a sort of, movements here and there. The people are, busy with some work here and there. And, in general, they are busy. That means they show the signs of life, all the time. So here, when he sees, he does not find the same situation which he had seen before. So he says, Etehe bhrutyaha whatever he comes in his mind, he expresses now in this verse. The verse is, Etehe bhrutyaha swani karmani hitva snehat rame jata bashpakulakshaha chintadinaha shoka sandagdha dehaha vikroshantam parthivam garhayanti. What he says, Eshaha ete bhrutyaha, these servants, they are garhayanti. They are garhayanti, that means they are blaming Maharaja. Parthivam garhayanti. Parthivam pruthayaha ayam iti parthivaha. Parthiva also means Kalevara, but here it is Dasharatha Raja. How he is Vikroshantam. Vikroshantam. Akrosha, he is crying loudly. You know, why he is Vikroshantam? Why he is crying loudly? Because he is he is, we know the reason. But even then, Bhrutyaha blame him. They do not give much importance to Parthiva's Akrosha, Raja's Akrosha. But they miss Rama, they have sneha towards Rama, so they still blame Dasharatha. And now Bhrutyas are described. How they are? Swani karmani hitva. Each Bhrutya has to perform some duty. They are always given some duty to perform, but they are not doing it. They don't bring themselves to do their duty. So they swani karmani hitva. That means giving away. Just they are not doing their duty. And snehat rame jata bashpa kulakshaha. Bashpena akulaha. Bashpa is tears. Akula means tears are filled in their aksha, that is eyes. Their eyes are tear filled. And why they are like that? Because they have sneha towards Rama. Because Rama is away, they are remembering him, they are missing him every now and then, and because of that, their eyes are filled with tears. They are chintadinaha, chintaya dinaha. They are worried about Rama, and because of that they have become Deena. They have become Deena. Shoka sandagdha dehaha. Their deha, their bodies are sandagdha. Their bodies are burnt with shoka. Shokena sandagdha dehaha. So they have become like this, and they are blaming Parthiva, that is Raja Dasharatha. He enters. What else he can? Raja, he has to come to see Raja. So Upetya, he goes near to Raja and says, as the etiquettes require, Jayatu Maharaja. He says, Jayatu Maharaja. Bhrata Sumantra, Raja recognizes him because Kanchukiya has told him before that, I will bring Sumantra here. So now he knows that Sumantra has come. Bhrata Sumantra. Sumantra is like his brother. Sumantra is like his brother. And asks him, Kva me Jeshtho Ramaha? Where is my Jeshtha Ramaha? Jeshtha means my Jeshtha Putra Ramaha. Where is he? And then says, Nahi yuktam abhihitam maya. I have not said correct, I have not said correctly. He said, me Jeshtho Ramaha. My Jeshtha Putra Ramo. Now, he says, I have not said correctly. And now he corrects himself by saying, Kva te Jeshtho Ramaha Priyasuta सुतः सा क्व दुहिता विदेहानां भर्तुः निरतिशय भक्तिः गुरुजने क्व वा सौमित्रिः मां हतपितृकम् आसन्नमरणं किमपि आहुः किं ते सकलजनशोकार्णवकरम्. He says, Hey Priyasuta, he calls Sumantra as Priyasuta. Priyasuta means Priyaha Sutaha, that is Ramaha, Tasya. Rama is his favorite son. Rama is Priya to Sumantra, so he is Priyasuta. Sutaha Priyaha Sutaha Ramaha Yasya Saha Priyasutaha, and this Priyasuta here is used as Sambodhana to Sumantra. Na aham Priyasutaha iti dhvanihi. That means I am not Priyasuta. You are Priyasuta. Because I sent him to forest. So, kva te jeshto Ramaha Priyasutaha, and then sa kva duhita videhanam bhartuhu niratishaya bhaktihi gurujane. Now he is asking about Sita. See, in this first sentence, twice you have seen kva. Actually, there is also another style in Sanskrit language using this kva twice, but it expresses altogether different meaning. Kva surya prabhavo vanshaha, kva cha alpa vishaya matihi. Where is that surya prabhava vansha and where I am alpa vishaya matihi? Like that, that there is a vast difference between that. One is at the top and one is at the bottom. So there is a difference. So to show that difference, this kva is used twice. Here also in first charana, kva has come twice, but it does not have that meaning. Kva teje, where is that Rama? And now he is asking, where is sa duhita? And now he describes, he says, Gurujane shvashuradau niratishaya bhaktihi yasyaha. Niratishaya bhaktihi gurujane yasyaha sa niratishaya bhaktihi. And who is she? Videhanam duhita. Videhanam duhita. Videhanam bhartuhu duhita. Videharajasya rajakanya. That is how he addresses, he refers to Sita. Kva va Saumitrihi? Where is Lakshmana? He does not give any adjective to Lakshmana. He just says Saumitri. That means Sumitrayaha apatyam puman Saumitri. He calls him only that. And for no reason. For him there is reason. He feels that he loves Rama more. That is why he left me, his old father, suffering, and he followed Lakshmana. So little bit of bitter sense is there in his mind. So he says that he does not give any adjective to Saumitri. Now Asanna, he says, Asanna Maranam, whose Marana has come very near, Sakalajana Shokarnavakaram. He Shokasya Arnavaha, that is Shoka Sagara. He has left all Jana, Sakala Jana. He has, put all the Janas, that is his Praja, his subjects, in Shokarnava. And Hatapitrukam. He calls himself Hatapitruka, that is wretched father. His wretched father. Has he said anything? Have they said anything? Where are they? Have they said anything to me? Kimapi ahu kim? Now, here he has hope that they have sent at least few words, some message to their old, weak, Jirna father. Sumantra says, Maharaja, Ma evam amangala vachanani bhashishta. Maharaja, he says, Ma evam, please don't utter such amangala vachanani. Amangala, which are not mangala. What you are saying is amangala, because he calls himself Hatapitruka. So this is amangala vachana. So Sumitra prevents him from calling him Hatapitruka and all amangala vachana. Achirat evatan drakshasi. Soon you will see them. They have not gone to forest permanently. When that samaya of Chaturdasha Varsha will be over, they will come back and you will see them again. So don't talk like this. Raja says, Satyam ayuktam abhihitam maya. Na ayam tapasvinam uchitaha prashnaha. Here there is a meaning behind his sentence. What he asked Sumantra, have they said anything to me? Have they sent any message? Have they given me any message through you? That was his question for them. And now he feels that he has done a wrong thing. When they are Vanavasinaha, Rama, Lakshmana and Sita, they are Vanavasinaha now. So they must be following Tapa, they must be following Tapacharana. So when they are following some Tapacharana, they are Tapasvi. They are Tapasvis. So there is an etiquette, there is a manner in which you address Tapasvi. There is a manner to address Raja. There is a manner, of asking Kushala of the other person. He may be Raja, he may be Tapasvi, or he may be a common man. Here, Tapasvis are to be asked a question to know their Kushala as Api Tapo Vardhate. Is your Tapacharana going well? Are you doing it properly? Is there any difficulty in following it? Do you have all the samagri of tapa required for tapa with you? If you have any difficulty in following your tapacharana, Raja has to provide it to them. That is Raja's duty. So Raja now remembers that and he says, now they are tapasvis, they are in the forest. So he corrects himself and asks, Tat kathyatam. So tell me, api tapasvinam tapo vardhate? And now, api aranyani swadhinani vicharanti vaidehi na parikhidyate. He says, aranyani, Vaidehi is also with them, Sita. So she is moving in that forest along with Rama and Lakshmana. Api aranyani swadhinani, swasya adhihi swadhinaha, swasya adhinani swadhinani, that is swayattani. Now she is moving in that forest. She is swadhina. See, she is alone there. May Rama and Lakshmana are with her, but she is moving here and there alone. Swadhina. Swadhinani aranyani vicharanti vaidehi na parikhidyate. Vaidehi does not get tired. See, she is Rajakanya. She is a daughter of Videha Raja. She is Rajakanya, brought up like Rajakanya. She is married in a royal family. She is wife of Rama, Dasharatha's Snusha. So here also she is a royal lady. So her lifestyle is also like, suitable for Rajastriyaha. So he feels, suddenly she is thrown out of that and straight away into the forest. So he is worried, So he asks Sumantra, does she not get tired? Parikhidyate. Khidyate means she getting tired. Kheda is tiredness. Parikhidyate, that means she must be getting very much tired. That is what he feels. Now when Maharaja asked so many questions to Sumantra, Sumitra is also present there. So she also wants to know. Sumantra Bahuvalkala Alankruta Sharira Bala api abala charitra Bhartuh Sahadharmacharini Asman Maharajancha Kinchin Alapati. Now Sita, she asks about Sita. See, the ladies, they are generally together in Antapura. They move together whenever they go for darshana of elderly persons or Devata darshana. They all go together along with their servants. So they develop sort of bond among themselves. So here Sita is very much younger to them. She is Bala. She is referred as Bala. Bala api abala charitra. When she is, her charitriya, sheelam is abalaya iva. Bala means a girl, young girl, not Praudha. Praudha knows a bit, but Bala is a young girl. So even though she is Bala, her charitra is like a Bala. Her charitra is like Praudha. So she admires her Snusha, that her charitra is like a Bala. And also she says, Bahu Valkala Alankruta Shariraha. Bahu Aneka Vidham. Bahu is Aneka Vidham. Yatha Tatha Valkalabhyam Alankrutam Shariram Yasyaha Sa. Valkala may not be of one type of leaf alone. There are so many trees in the forest, and from those Valkalas, from the leaves of the trees, they make Valkalas. So Valkalas can be of many varieties. So Bahu Valkala Alankruta Sharira. Bahu Aneka Vidha Yatha Tatha Valkalabhyam Alankrutam Shariram Yasyaha Sa. Bhartuh Sahadharmacharini. She is Bhartuh Sahadharmacharini, naturally. Asman Maharajam cha Kinchin Alapati. Has she said something to us? Or Maharaja and Maharaja, has she said anything? Kinchin Lapati? Kinchin Alapati? Then Sumantra starts answering. Sarva eva Maharajam. Sarva eva Maharajam. Oh, when the moment he says Sarva eva, that means he is, considering all of them together, and he uses one word, Sarva. Sarvaha eva. This ukti of Sumantra does not agree with Maharaja. He says, no. He prevents them. He obstructs his speech. He says, no, don't say that. No. Again Virukti. Shrotra rasayanaihi mama hrudayaturaushadhaihi tesham namadheyaihi eva shravaya. You take everybody's name differently. Differently. Now, namadheyaihi means namabhihi. namadheyaihi eva shravaya. You take their names independently, individually, and you tell me. Why? Because their namas, when Sumantra will utter their names, that will have different effect on Dasharatha. He will be listening to the names of his children, his Tanujaha, that will make him feel better, that is soothing. And how soothing it is, that he describes. He says, Shrotra rasayanaihi mama hrudayatura aushadhehi. They are Shrotra rasayana, that is Karna hrudayanandani, that is Tesham namani pruthak pruthak nirdishya kathaya. Iti Shrotrayoho rasayanani. Rasayanam nama nana rasa nirmitaha bheshaja visheshaha. That is famous in Vaidyaka Shastra. That is rasayana. Yatha rasa is used for ears, Rasamayatvam is Pritikaratvam and Aushadhatmakam to Tvat Hitakaratvam. Rasayana is Pritikara and its Aushadhatvam is Hitakaratvam. So Rasayana, Rasamayatvat Pritikaratvam and Aushadhatmakat Hitakaratvam. Tatha eteshamapi Priyatvam and Hitakaratvam cha iti vyanjayitum rasayanatvam nirdeshaha. So Rudaya Atura is deceased, is rogi. Anatura means no roga. Atura is roga, presence of disease. Ease is comfort. When dis-ease as discomfort, dis shows trasa. So with this disease is atura. Rudayasya aturasya aushadhan iva sukhavahani. Those names are sukhavaha, just like the rasayana. Rasayana creates priti and aushadha is hitakari. So both these are the qualities of their names. When you utter their names, that will be the effect of rasayana, like rasayana on me. So you take individual name and with that you tell me. Ramalak. Sumanta agrees with him and he says, Yad Ajnapayati Maharajaha Ayushman, and now he starts, taking names individually. He says, Ayushman Ramaha Ramaiti. Now he is happy because he has heard Rama's name from Sumantra's mouth. He says, Ramaiti, Ayam Ramaha. He immediately, Murti of Rama appears in front of his eyes, his mind, his heart. Rupa Guna. With this you describe a person and give him Namadheya. Here, when he calls Rama by his name, his Rupa and Guna are presented, they appear in front of Dasharatha's eyes. And he is very happy. Ayam Ramaha Tannama Shravanat Sprushta iva me pratibhati. The moment you say Rama, Tannama Shravanat, when I listen to that Nama, Rama, it I feel as if he is touching me. Sprushta iva me pratibhati. He even as if he has touched me. Tataha tataha. Then he asks, next, Ayushman Lakshmanaha. He says, Ayam Lakshmanaha. Okay, this is Lakshmana. Again he must be having pratima of Lakshmana along with his rupa and guna in front of him. Ayam Lakshmanaha. Tataha tataha. Then Ayushmati Sita Janakaraja Putri. He says, Iyam Vaidehi. Ayushmati Sita Janakaraja Putri. Iyam Vaidehi. Ramaha Lakshmana Vaidehi iti ayam akramaha. Dasharatha doesn't agree with the krama. Now he is happy that Sumantra is taking their names and telling Dasharatha about them. But the krama he has followed does not agree with Dasharatha. He says, this is akramaha. This order by which you have taken their name is not correct. He says, athaka kramaha. Then what is the krama? The krama is, Raja says, Ramo Vaidehi Lakshmana iti abhidhiyatam. You put Vaidehi between Rama and Lakshmana. Why? Rama Lakshmanayor madhye tishtatu atra api maithili. Rama Lakshmanayoho madhye tishtatu atra api maithili. Bahudoshani aranyani sanatha esha bhavishyati. He says, all this is Dasharatha's manodasham vivrunvan. And also Vatsalyatishayo. He has Vatsalya Bhavana for Vaidehi and all his sons. Also, is Vatsalya Bhava Poshayati. Because he says, Bahu doshani aranyani. In Aranya there are Bahavaha doshaha, apayaha. Because this is, so let Maithili stay in between Rama and Lakshmana so that she will be well protected. Actually, this is done by Rama. This is said by Rama in Ramayana. There he says, when they go to forest, he tells Lakshmana, Agrato gaccha saumitre, Sita tvam anugacchatu. You go ahead. Agrataha gaccha, he saumitre, you go in front. Sita tvam anugacchatu. Let Sita follow you. Let Sita go behind you. Prushtataha anugacchami, Sitam tvam anupalayan. And I will be behind both of you. Tvamcha, Sitamcha. So I will be behind you and Sita. What will I do? Anupalayan. You go ahead. Behind you, Sita will be there. She will be protected by you from front. And I will be last. I will be behind. Prushtataha, Anupalayan. So you palaya us. Sita will be protected by you and I will protect you and Sita together. Anupalayan. So I will. So this is in the Ramayana. This Rama does this. And here Bhasa has given it a different angle. And he says, let this be krama because bahudoshani aranyani. Then Sumantra says, Yad Adnyapayati Maharajaha Ayushman Rama Ayam Ramaha. Raja is happy now. Ayushmati Janakaraja Putri iyam Vaidehi, happy. Ayushman Lakshmana. Here is Ayushman Lakshmana and Ayam Lakshmana. Dasharatha Raja is very happy. So Rama, Vaidehi and Lakshmana, all three are there. So he actually, brings in front of his eyes that all three are there, moving in a row, in a krama described by Sumantra. And he says, Rama, Vaidehi, Lakshmana, Parishvajadhvam mam putrakaha, please come embrace me. Bhavakula. He becomes Bhavakula. He calls them Putrakaha. He calls them Putrakaha. So, then he wishes his mind, whatever comes in his mind, he sees them, he feels, imagines as if those putraka, his children, are embracing him. And then he recites a verse, Sakrut sprushamiva ramam, Sakrut pashyamiva punaha, Gatayuhu amrutayaneva, Jivamiti matirmama. That we will see in our next lecture. So, atra sthapayamaha. Let us wait here. We will conclude here. So, Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.